For a dramatic eye makeup look, perfect eyelashes are the most important, as they complete final looks. But between the sticky glue and making sure the strips are precisely next to lash line, the task is easier said than done. And the magnetic lashes skip the adhesive entirely and makes the process easier and long-lasting. So we came up with 5 best magnetic lashes that will make you look natural. Let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Magnetic eyelashes are becoming more and more popular nowadays, and the Arishine Reusable Magnetic Eyelash and Eyeliner Kit will provide you thicker, longer, gorgeous eyelashes. These lightweight and comfortable lashes are made with premium quality. The magnetic technology is upgraded for the best experience. This long-lasting and reusable lash makes you look natural. The eyeliner is waterproof and smudge-proof. The kit comes with 5 pairs of different magnetic lashes, magnetic eyeliner, and eyelash applicator. It is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. The reviews say it all. The lashes are definitely recommended by the users. It provided great difference and make you look natural. But besides all positive feedbacks, few users were not satisfied. How to use it? Time to check out the ratings. The Vastsoul Dual Magnetic Eyelashes are one of the best magnetic eyelashes without liner. This sandwich-style set of magnetic lashes make you look natural and stays on its place for a long time. These lightweight lashes are made of premium synthetic fibers and 0.2 mm ultra-thin magnet that results in beautiful natural eyelashes. Its strong magnetic force secures your eyelashes and places it in right place, making your eyes look bright and attractive. These reusable and cleanable lashes are worth it. They come with an eyelash applicator that is made of special alloy material and makes the application process easier and convenient. The Vassoul Dual Magnetic Eyelashes are available on Amazon with thousands of positive reviews and ratings. After going through the reviews, the lashes are easier to put on and do not get messy. Also, provide a natural look, though some users complain with its quality. How to use it? Let's check out the ratings for the magnetic eyelash. Our next preferred magnetic eyelash is perfect for those looking for most durable and reusable lashes. It's the Luxillia Magnetic Eyeliner and Lashes Kit that adheres easily and lasts all day without coming off. The lashes are made of ultra-thin fibers of 0.2 mm that provide right amount of length and volume on your lashes. The ingredients and materials are made of FDA approved. Its magnetic eyeliner is especially formulated of secure hold to keep the lashes from falling in any situation and make you feel secure for 24 hours. This kit comes with 5 pairs of different lashes, magnetic eyeliner and lash applicator tool. The lashes make you look natural and is smudge-proof and waterproof. The Luxillia Magnetic Eyeliner and Lashes Kit is available on Amazon with thousands of positive reviews and ratings. After going through the reviews, this magnetic eyelash is great, especially for glue haters. According to the users, it looks natural on eyes, which is great, but some users complained it didn't work well for them. How to use it? Let's check out the ratings for the magnetic eyelashes. If you are looking for the strongest magnetic lashes, the Aromas Magnetic Eyeliner and Magnetic Eyelash Kit is the right choice for you. This affordable magnetic lash kit will give you a natural look and stay on its place for a long time. The magnetic eyeliner contains ultrafine magnetic particles that strongly hold the eyelashes on place. The formula of the eyeliner is quick drying, waterproof, and can be easily removed. And the natural-looking eyelashes makes you look perfect for any occasion. This eyelash kit comes with 7 pairs of different lashes, eyeliner, and lash applicator tool. The Aromas Magnetic Eyeliner and Magnetic Eyelash Kit is one of the most reviewed magnetic eyelashes on Amazon that earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from the users. According to the reviews, these highly recommended magnetic lashes are worth it. They stay on place for hours and work as a game changer for your lashes. But besides all the positive reviews, some users complain that it irritates the lash line. How to use it? It's time to rate this lash kit. The Airshine Magnetic Eyeliner and Lashes Kit is the most popular magnetic eyelash on Amazon. This easy-to-use eyelashes provides thicker, longer, and gorgeous eyelashes while being comfortable. Its specially formulated eyeliner contains ultrafine magnetic particles that helps the magnetic eyelash to easily connect. The eyeliner is smudge-proof and waterproof. The eyelashes are made of grade A ultra-soft handicraft fiber natural-looking lashes that enhance the natural beauty of your eyes without making your eyes feel heavy. This long-lasting and high-quality lash kit is safe for use and doesn't cause irritation of skin. The kit includes 5 pairs of magnetic eyelashes in 5 different styles, 2 tubes of magnetic eyeliner, and lash tweezers. The Arishine Magnetic Eyeliner and Lashes Kit is one of the best-selling magnetic eyelashes that earned a huge number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews from users, it is a game changer for the lashes. It is highly recommended by the users as the lashes are super lightweight and affordable, though some users were not satisfied with the lashes. How to use? Let's check out the ratings for the magnetic eyelashes. So these are our top picks magnetic eyelashes. If you like the video, then hit the like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know about your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.